Hey all, welcome to Scodeen Global. Do you know in this competitive world what's main reason of our existence? The quality. Am I right? It means I have to be good, you have to be good, my cell phone should be best, your laptop should be best, my video should be best, my institution should be best, and so on. In a complex oligopoly business world, do you know quality is the most significant area in business. Let's come together on a common understanding of software quality or software testing. From technical point of view, software testing is not a technology, it's an approach. It means to test a system or application, we have to apply three-dimension approach. A test engineer has to learn everything. Let's take example. To perform database testing, we have to learn SQL or Mongo database or Postgre SQL. And to perform ETL testing, we have to learn ETL. To perform big data testing, we have to learn big data. To perform business intelligence testing, we have to learn BI. To perform automation testing, we have to learn Java or Python. And to perform system integration testing, we have to learn web services. To perform machine learning model testing, we have to learn machine learning. To perform AI testing, we have to learn AI concept. To perform cloud testing, we have to learn cloud concept. Isn't it interesting, guys? Do you know what's average salary of Scodeen candidates in software testing? It's 13 to 35 lakhs. Please check our Scodeen performance report on Instagram and YouTube. And join our high intelligence, sophisticated and business integrated syllabus for software testing. Thank you for watching us. Have a great day.